Another product you can create on your EzyCourse site is appointments. Appointments can either be free or they can be things that you sell. So let's have a look at how that looks in the EzyCourse dashboard. So I'm in the products section here and I'm going to go into appointments and I'm going to go ahead and create a new appointment event. I give my event a title. I choose what type it is, whether it's in person or whether it's an online meeting. I can enter the location for that meeting as well. And then I can choose to sync with my Google Calendar, which means that appointment will appear in my calendar, but also when people are booking, my sync with Google Calendar means that they will only be able to book times when I'm available. I can give my event a description and some instructions for the attendee, and I can choose how far into the future people can schedule appointments. I choose the duration of the event and I can save my weekly free hours. And here at the bottom is where I can set up whether it's a free or paid for event, and I can set some other things and some other settings too. Now let's have a look at our example EzyCourse site to see what that looks like from a user perspective. So here I am on my example site and I'm going to go into this appointment page here. And you can see there's a booking form just here where highlighted on the form are all the different available dates, and I can go ahead and choose a slot and click continue. Now this is a free appointment, so I just need to complete purchase and that's it, I'm ready to go. If this was a paid for appointment, then of course I would need to enter my card details and make payments. So that's how easy it is to create appointments on your EzyCourse site.